Well wishes of morning to all of you, class 11th. Welcome to English Literature Period, ELFSCS online classes. Dear students, yesterday this lesson was summarized very well by me. Today we have to start this lesson by reading and explanation. So let's start reading of this lesson, then we will get deep and well suitable explanation by me. My grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had a husband. But that was hard to believe. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban and loose fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest, and he looked at least 100 years old. He did not look the sort of person who would have a wife or children. He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren. As for my grandmother being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. She often told us of the games she used to play as a child that seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part, and we treated it like the fables of the prophet she used to tell us. In this first passage, the writer Khushwant Singh has given description about his grandmother. His grandmother, likely other old ladies, she was very old. She was 70 years old. She had been old and wrinkled for 20 years that had known her. People said about her that she had once been young and pretty, had even had a husband, but there was hard to believe. It is very hard to believe for anyone. Grandfather's portrait, Miss Photo, also hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. By seeing the figure, it could be guessed about him what type of person he was in his life. Seeing the photograph, it could be guessed. He wore big turban, loose-fitted clothes, and he had long beard, white beard, which covered the best part of the chest. Grandmother, in her that age, looked very smart, looked young and pretty due to her practice, due to her work hard, due to being punctual for the work. That seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part, and we treated it like the fable. Fable means stories of the prophet she used to tell us. As it is also today, as in ancient time. In ancient time, mostly old mother, father, grandfather, mostly grandmother, used to tell the stories, various types of stories to the children. She had always been short and fat and slightly bent. In that age, as everyone, it happens to everyone. So Khuswan's grandmother also bent little in that age. But her face was a crisscross of wrinkles running from everywhere and everywhere. Everywhere to everywhere. Certainly she had always been as behind as we had known her. Old, so terribly old that she could not have grown older. Means she was on her peak time of the oldness. Had stayed at same age for 20 years. She could never have been pretty, but she was always beautiful. Always beautiful. In that age, by physically, by body, she looked few loose. She had looseness, but mentally she was very young that time. She hovered about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her rest to balance her body, her weight. She always used to chant what? Mantra and beads of rosary. Her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale. Her lips constantly moved in inaudible prayer. She was very beautiful doing so. Like winter landscape in the mountains, an expanse of pure white serenity, breathing peace and contentment. Means she was very peaceful lady. Every time being concentrated, she did every work. Never showed worry. Never felt worry. Very happily, very pleasantly, she did her every work. Now, prepare two questions from this chapter, from the passage. It's your homework. Thanks. Have a nice day.